Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you the top 5 high CPM niches on YouTube. So let's go. So friends, niche number 1 is making money online. This is in very high demand. You can tell people that how can they make money online. They can make a YouTube channel. They can earn so many money with so many different platforms and so many amazing tips. So guide them. Niche number 2 is beauty and makeup, which is also in high demand. You can tell them which products are the best to use, from which platforms they can earn, from which videos they can earn. They can make a YouTube channel, they can make an Instagram page, or to boost they can make a Facebook page as well. Friends, niche number 3 is life hacks. As you all know, we are seeing a lot of videos on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok as well about the life hacks. So why are you waiting? Make your own YouTube channel and go for it. This is an amazing tip to earn money online from YouTube. Dear friends, niche number 4 is health and nutrition. This is so much amazing field. You can make your own YouTube channel and guide people how they can stay healthy and perfectly healthy, which exercises are best from them. You can give top 10 ideas to them to stay healthy and make their life perfect. Moving on, niche number 5 is motivational talks. Nowadays this is in high demand because everyone wants to earn money, everyone wants to make their life perfect, but they do not know how. You can solve their problem and earn money online. Make your YouTube channel and start it. Also, yes, I want to mention here, if you want to know what are the top 10 online earning tips, you can watch this video. The link is above or description box below. Go watch it. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, go thumbs up, leave a positive comment as your support. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given in the description box below. You can get more amazing tips there. And yes, if you want to get a quick access to tips and to earn online, go follow me on Facebook and Instagram.